so we're going to tie the black and orange. The hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. I'm going to start off using a uni thread, yellow and fire orange. That's just to keep in sort of a contrast with the colour of the body. So I'm just coming a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook, and we're just running our thread down in fairly close touching turns till you're past the point of the actual hook. The tail on the fly, you're looking some GP Tippet fibres. So just take these, put them in between your finger and thumb, and just come in and clip away a small amount of fibres. Don't need too much. And just take a measurement here. Offer the fibres over the back, pinch and loop, and then just work your thread turns down the shank of the hook, catching in your tail. Trim away the waist there. Now the body rib is an oval gold tinsel, and this is an oval gold tinsel in size 14 that I'm using, so that's a Van yards size. So we'll get a length of that off and just sort of pull it into the length of the body. The body's going to be dubbed, so you don't need to worry about lumps and bumps. Just make sure everything's tied in nice and tight to that point there, nice and tight, then back down. Just bringing the tail tied up against the thread back down, tied up against the tail. Then the body, you're looking at like a red-orange seal's fur, but more towards the orange side. Now, this is the traditional Irish dubbing that I'm using, and this colour is perfect for this. It has wee flecks of orange through it, and a wee very, very small tinge of an olive colour. So just work your dubbing up nice and tight. Anything that wants to go forward, come in and just sweep it back. I want to work the thread to the eye at that point, because the head on the fly is black. So this is the uni thread 801 black. Just change over it, and then we'll come in and trim away the waist. Then we'll come up with our oval gold tinsel, just in spaced turns. About 4 turns is usually a rule of thumb. Work the thread down nice and tight to the eye, catching in the rib. Then come in and trim away the waist of the oval gold tinsel, and then we'll just work our thread back up nice and tight. I just want to come in and bring out some of the dubbing into the dressing. Incidentally, the old dressers that would have dressed this fly, they didn't use a rib. They would just put the seal's fur on the body and then picked it out. So the front hackle, you're looking at a black cock, or in this case this is just a Indian hen cape that has been dyed black. So just offer that up to the hook. Couple of turns to catch the tip in, fold the tip back, and just work the thread back up over the tip and the hackle. We can break away the tip. I'm probably looking at a turn and a half. Should be plenty. This is actually a seatrout pattern for the locks, but there's I'll take the brown trout as well as the occasional salmon. Now, turn and a half of that is going to be plenty for me. Follow this around with your thread. Now, at this point what I do is work my thread down to the eye of the hook, and then I'll break the hackle off. It's just come off in my finger and thumb, which is happy days. Then just work the thread back up. Now the wing, you're looking some crow, and you need a right and a left. So you've got the, just pan out a wee bit here actually, so you can see you've got the right and the left feather. Now you can also use rook, if you have some rook. And I just come in with my needle, and all you're looking here is just slips. You don't need to go too wide and think, that. Just very, very small slips of fibre. It's my side, and then look at this section for your side. Once I have them taken off the radius, meaning the stem, just run my fingers through the fibres just to straighten everything up. Just hold them at the bottom. There's a bit of a curve in this one, as you can see, but we can work with that. I'll just palm back in again. Okay, just take your two, this is how I do it anyway, just take the two fibres and just get the tips matched up. This is the best that I can. Doesn't actually have to be perfect. This is a fishing fly. It's not going to go into a frame or a photo case or anything like that. There's just one wee fibre here. You can see it. I'm just not happy with that. So I'm just going to hold the two tips. Come in with my needle. Take that fibre out. I'll just give you problems. It's best to take it out. Then we'll come back in again, get them lined up. The two slips. Offer this up to the hook. Now the wing length, it's really up to yourself. I mean, probably just less the length of the tail to there would do nicely. Then just come in and just pinch these onto the hook. Follow this around with your thread, then a nice pinching loop. Just draw the fibres down onto the hook. Now just take a wee look to see what way we're sitting. So a wee check. Just make sure everything's lined up nicely. It's on top. Check on my side now, that's not too bad. So just come in, hold your two wing slips, lift your waist ends, and just knock them away with your scissors. See this, forget about this wee bit of hackle fibre. Just concentrate on tying in the cut ends, then you can come in and sweep everything back. And just work your thread back up, and then just build up your head of the fly to the size that you like. I like a decent head on a wet fly like this. Slide your fingers back. Then we'll come in, just throw in a whip finish. Just putting a wee bit of shape into the head at the same time here. Pull your thread tight. Come in and trim away your tying thread. Now the first coat that I put onto the head is super glue. So just get a wee drop of super glue here. Just fix the wing so you can see it a wee bit better. Right, just be careful not to touch the wing or the hackle. I would just rather get it into the eye of the hook, if I'm being honest with you, rather than touch any of the dressing with super glue at that point. And then just take away the excess, just to sort of my wee thing, just to square and everything off. Then we got to make sure that the eye is clean. So a bit of waste wire. Just come in and make sure your eye is free of the super glue, because there's nothing worse. You get out and try and put your leader through, and it's blocked up with glue. And there you go, guys. That's the orange and black. That's an old Glaway fly for sea trout, but it'll work for brown trout and salmon too. So hopefully you've got something from that, guys. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. I do appreciate people taking the time to watch. If this is the first time watching one of the videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the channel grow. And until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and each other. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.